Cumudul dah keselap. Kan long kumno sarai. Kau kangam lut barok sepok hendau.
Lo ayak tu meh. Memtip isu dah.
Iding buon ba cakasya nama. Atray di pentip nai kibre sasar. Kibre le menta ki thiet taman yo lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Director General of Police ka Jilla, ka Kong Ida Shisha Nongrang, kala Ithuh ba ka Tnat Pulit kalalam, ba ka Sengking Atiar Nyautreb National Liberation Council, haba ka Pynrung yaki Dkhot bathamai, kala Panru yaki Election Photo Identity Card. Bat ongru ba ka Tnat Pulit kala Ladep Pulit ya ki jingyakaran jong ki Samla ki balasya pengob ha ka social media. Ha ka jingkran bat kilat patai kubor ka kong nongrang kala Ithuh ba lad na ki arngut ki balasya kem ha ki Pulit halor ka kis bom ID hayo umsning ki weipat ki ba ki Pulit ki lalap ksai ki daitang ki bedang syuakaran bat ki nong Pynrung Dkhot hapo kaseng Hnlc ka Ithuh ba ha ka jingtok kit yo Samla walang pasintiyo ubala wan pendam ha ka arpusan tarik o rempang arjar pun rio la labru ha ka mobile phone jong u ya ki video linkot kumno ban shna yo bom ID da kitiar ki basok ban yo.
We've been doing a lot of analysis because he has been cooperating very much with us. We've gotten not only a significant number, I wouldn't like to quote any numbers at the moment, but a very significant number of names and number of people who have, young people who have, because their system of, before they induct anybody, they ask them to send them their epic cards and all that. So we have a number of epic cards, we've identified a number of people, but when we look at their social media interactions, because a lot of this recruitment, so to say, is happening on the social media platforms, on the social media handles of the Hnlc. When we look at the interactions, it is largely, for a significant number of these young people, it is basically just the first interactions first, and the sending of the epic cards, etc. But they haven't really gone beyond that. So we obviously are taking we will be discussing which of these people who have done. There are some, of course, who've done much more than that, like the two who were arrested from Umsling, Banjop and Donbok. They of course had gone just much beyond just talking about joining the organization. They were involved in that ID case in Umsling. But like I was saying, the bulk of the people whose names have come out were largely just basically interactions on the social media platforms.
So physically, how many of them have gone to Bangladesh?
I beg your pardon?
Physically, how many youths have gone to Bangladesh?
To Bangladesh for training, I wouldn't be able to put a number on that, because we have conflicting inputs on that as to a good pay package, and of course the usual. That you're doing it for the re and the judgment re, etc.
And whom do you normally target now for recruitment?
They haven't been very specific that only these kind of people will recruit or this. It's been very broad based.
Or like maybe urban or suburban, rural?
There is I would say if we were looking at the number of people, the people the names that have come up and the areas from which they've come, it has been a mix, both urban, rural, semi-urban also.
Do we fear that they are...
As of now, the information that we are definite about, there's only one who is an expert on that, but they have, even in this Pasante's phone, there were a number of clippings, videos on how to fabricate IDs, especially with easily available materials.
Had a long day? Feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.